Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Point to Point. I am your friend Chetan. Here I will be discussing with you various short tricks for calculations. I will illustrate the whole trick in the form of animation, so it will be easy for everyone to remember. So let's start. Let's find the square of 47. You can see that I have used different colors for tens place, units place and for the power of number. This will help you to easily understand the flow of the trick. Consider the units place and tens place of 47 as different numbers. Now take square of 7 and then the square of 4. Write the squares of these numbers as shown. You will get a new number that is 1649. The next step is to multiply the digits in tens place, units place and the power of the number. This will give you 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. This results in a new number 56. Now you have to add 56 to 1649, but you have to keep in mind that while adding 56 you should leave the units place blank as shown. For the sake of simplicity we can also write 56 as 560. Now add 560 to 1649, you will get 2209, which is the square of 47. Wow, isn't it great? We have squared a number in seconds. Now let's find square of 3 digits number 122. Consider 122 as two parts, first part containing only the units place and second part containing the remaining digits. For the sake of understanding I have used different colors for both parts. So now we got two parts as 12 and 2. Now square 2 and 12. Take a note that the square of 2 is 4 but we have to write it as 04. Square of 12 is 144. From the combination of squares you got the number as 14,404. Now multiply the 12 with 2 and again with 2. You will get 48. Now add this 48 to 14,404. Note that before adding 48 add 0 at the end so the number becomes 480. After adding these you will get 14,884, which is the square of 122. In this way you have learned the trick for squaring a number. Hope you liked the trick. If you liked my efforts please like, share and subscribe my channel.